I'll just let them do it so I can explain. So as you can see, she's getting that sort of nice shine on it. Okay. Now, Miyuki, just a reminder: once the sugar goes in, or the eggs go in and the sugar, you might want to change because it's a little bit melted. So that whisk is from Kmart, but it's a bit dense. Like I find it.
Yeah.
Not, it's okay
for
especially if you're doing it in a hot pot, you know, because it's like. So sometimes I change over to the steel one because it's got a bit more thing. I have broken whisks in the class itself because sometimes it gets a bit heavy. So as the eggs will go in, it will thicken, and then once the sugar goes in, it will get heavier to mix. Okay, so just letting you know. This is all hand done. Okay, you don't need to use a mixer. I think some people have used a mixer, but the texture hasn't come out as good. Okay, I think it's just too much mixing.
Can you change into a spatula when?
Yeah, you will. She will after. Put
Flour
everything
and
in, okay. So that's nice and smooth. It's slightly warm, so we're just going to wait for it to cool before the eggs can go in, okay? Yeah.
It smells nice already.
Yeah.